Hi, my name's Anjana Pindoria, and today I want to share with you my 3 tips of how you can manage your multiple dossiers across many countries. I love travelling. One of my favourite countries that I've visited is Italy. Who cannot love the beautiful wine, the amazing food, and the spectacular art? However, recently I've been spending quite a lot of time in Germany, and you know what, I have to say the structure, the efficiency is pretty spectacular, not forgetting the Bavarian beer as well as the cheesy pretzels. Both of these countries reside within the European Union, however there are so many differences. If I was to look at what the differences are, then we can say their language for one, their cars, as well as the way that marketing authorizations are issued by the health authorities. So, did you know that Italy issues marketing authorizations per pack size? So, if I'm a pharmaceutical company and I'm submitting a dossier to Italy with 3 pack sizes, I'm going to get, upon approval, 3 marketing authorizations back. Whereas Germany is very different. Germany issues marketing authorizations per strength, per pharmaceutical form, and per active substance. So that same dossier that I submitted to Italy going to Germany will reside in 1 marketing authorization. This might be quite simple if you only have to submit to 2 countries or maybe 3, but it starts to get a lot more complex and a lot more challenging if you imagine all the dossiers that you have to submit across the different countries. So what are my 3 tips for you to be able to manage your dossiers across the globe? Number 1, change. Change is always going to be happening, and you want to make sure when you're performing your regulatory impact assessment, you have data or structured data at the lowest possible level. And what I mean by this is if somebody comes to ask you if there's a name change for a manufacturer that has to be applied, how many dossiers are impacted, you're really able to go and perform an impact assessment and give them the results in a matter of seconds as opposed to days. Number 2, when you're making regulatory changes, you really don't want to be performing changes at a low granular level. And again, what do I mean by this? Well, nobody wants to create an electronic application form 3 times in Italy per pack size. So you want to make sure that all the marketing authorization information can be consolidated to the highest possible level so you can make changes at the highest possible level. Number 3 is my favorite because I'm not very good at it, but it's having a photographic memory. Someone in regulatory really has to remember all the different business logics applied by all the different countries to issue a marketing authorization. So you need to make sure you've got a photographic memory so you can recite all this information to your stakeholders when needed.